I've been a social worker for 36 years. All my life has been about supporting children and families. Becoming a foster carer is life-changing, but it's not working in isolation. It's working very much as part of a team. I think that's one of the most special things, building a really nice rapport with your supervising social worker, because then you've got a bond and it's just like having an extra friend. There's lots of different types of support that we offer foster carers, from very formal support to very informal support. Ingrid's been absolutely amazing. From the minute that we met her, I don't think we could have done it without her. She's guided us through, especially in the early years.
You've got some nice close friends now.
There's a narrative in the world that social workers are never here for you, but actually the support you get from supporting social workers is second to none.
So that being part of his world and his understanding.
We provide regular supervision for all our foster carers. It's really about looking at how the past weeks have been for them and their family. Small acts of thoughtfulness can make an enormous difference. Since fostering, and since being a part of Ingrid's circle, she's really built my confidence by encouraging me, by giving me support. She's just the best. Foster carers can sometimes imagine that all of this responsibility will lie with them, and it doesn't. Social workers, in theory, work between the hours of 9 till 5. However, it's a sort of role where we care passionately about the people that we work with.
So we're really building those relationships and getting that thorough knowledge, aren't we?
As part of that, so you don't necessarily shut off or cut off at 5 o'clock.
Any plans for tonight?
No, going to do a bit on my way home. If you're interested in becoming a foster carer, please get in contact with your local authority and have those discussions.